it's the unboxing of Panasonic 1080p camcorder. Now, I wanted a better camera than the one I'm using right now, because this is really bad. This is really bad. So, I look around, and this is the camera for me. It do everything I want. Everything I'm looking for in a camera. Unfortunately, just the price is $500. So I guess my bank account gonna take a L on that. Let's open it up and have a little fun. Okay, this is the front of the box. The model is v785 Now, those numbers, that's the first, Now, when I used to shop for cameras, I just saw a bunch of numbers, but it's just the model number, it's just the unit. Why you went with a bunch of numbers? I don't know, a bunch of random numbers. Now, there's not a lot of good videos about this, about the unboxing process. So I'm here to help you on your camera the next time you are looking to buy a camera, okay? And there's a link below if you want to spend $500 on it. Like me, I did that. Now this is the accessory that you could get with it. I'm not gonna get it because I can't afford it. I guess I have to eat ramen over the past 3 months. This is the back of it. And this is just a bunch of numbers, okay? So there's not a lot going on with the box. So let's open it up and have a little fun. Now there's no tape on the thing. Now I already unboxed it and set up all the settings I want from it. So put that. So this is the camera itself. I already put the battery in. I already put that. That is very dirty. I thought it's gonna be like flimsy, but it's not. I wish the accessory part was on top of the camera. A lot of LC Pro cameras have this feature, have a better design than this, than the proper brand. So, and that's how you charge the camera. Now this camera consume on the microphone, consume the stuff that in one of the microphone. This is the camera that that had all the reads that I'm looking for. So there you go. Now that was what else we have? How do you operate that? We don't need that. And that the cable it comes with. Right there. Now I'm already using the thing to charge it. Now if you lose that that is the thing to transfer it. Or you could take out the SD card if you really wanted to. I recommend that because taking out this SD card, I have a little bit of problem with that. So we're just gonna compare to the LC4 because I've been using LC4 camera since I started YouTube. So I could tell you. Okay, what I don't like already is the accessory part should be on the top of the camera like L3, okay? Let me just open this up. So here's where all the controls are. Okay, another thing, if you have a microphone plug in, you can't serve that. So it have a Ripsy image zoom. For some reason, you might need it, you might not. Now here's how you operate the camera. It have a touch screen. It only go up to 1080p. That is a good camera because I can't even do 4K. I can't even my computer don't accept that. That's like an add-on I have to pay, and that's like $2. So I don't need 4K video. I really don't. So if you want 4K, this is not the camera you. It don't have a vertical remote, and this is the LC4. So a couple more points for LC4, okay? So we'll just compare within cameras. Now, the LC4 look bad. It look really bad. Watch all my old videos for Hurricane Ida. You would see how bad the quality is. But that's all I could afford because I didn't have a job back then. So yeah, so the LC4 is better to time because this battery is exposed and not on the bottom. That's where you put your SD card. Right there. Take a normal size SD card. So you press the button right when you want to record. So this is a what's that called? Entry level camera. If you're on level 1. I love level 1 because level 1 is cheap. You're gonna pay you don't want to spend $10,000 on a camera. No, you just want to spend something affordable. But I really wish it was cheaper, okay? Well, I saw it on Amazon for $350, so maybe if you look around you could get cheaper. But I got cam with the camera, okay? So that's not what you do when you're looking at a camera. You just don't go to BestBuy.com and be like, oh yeah, let me buy that. I went on the eBay website and the eBay sale, and it was like 500. So so this is what the camera I'm gonna use going forward. I heard it, what that called, pretty dirty. I heard somebody wrap it and it was still working. Like, this is how you zoom in, use that. And I'm not happy about the control. There's no control, physical control, but you can connect it with your cell phone and control it that way. But outside of your cell phone, that's all that is was the control. So, I always had a control. Even with those L3 cameras, they come with a control. I don't know what it is with the L3 stuff, but they know how to design a camera like a proper brand, This is Panasonic, crying out loud. This is not some backwoods company from China. Mic input. Oh, and that have a light. So if you don't have a camera light, that's the best. And it's pretty bright, but I'm not gonna use the light because that's gonna drain the battery. And this is the battery. It's just locked into place. I don't like how it explodes. But what you gonna do? So this is my new setup. Watch this. Open this. You like this. I said you like this. Got the video. Now it looks pretty awkward You can't tighten the microphone. Now you also need a microphone that battery powered. It's not gonna do. You can't put any microphone on it to use it. You need, this mic. So there you go. Now you can't tilt the microphone. You can't tilt it. So every time you're done with the every time you're done with the camera, you have to unplug it. Now this wasn't a problem with the L3 setup, The L3 setup have all the ports on the back, have the battery on the bottom. So if you wanna live by using L3 setup, hop on Amazon and just buy like 150 camera because that's what I did. Well, I went to Walmart.com when I bought my first camera. So yeah, this is the Panasonic. This is the Panasonic v785 full 1080p camcorder. Okay, beautiful. Which is coming in a lot of colors because black. Everything I own is black for video recording. So it's a good day or a good day. Ciao.